What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy. Today, I am here to announce that we are super excited to say that we have finally finished our brand new website. It's been several months in the undertaking, and there's a lot of work behind it. So we really think that this new website really captures everything that Steel City does, which is essentially a one-stop shop for anything drone related that you need. Everything from purchasing equipment. We now have a great e-store that you can buy equipment on our store. We show you everything that we have as far as our on-site commercial and corporate training, individual trainings, online training sessions, everything with program development for public safety, being able to help you get a certificate of authorization, everything that you can think of and then some. So we really think that the new website captures everything that Steel City Drones does. We'd really like you to go ahead and check it out. Let us know what you think. It really is our main source for information and everything about what we do as a company. And I would really like to take the time to thank Dave Ralston and Logic Web Designs for a great website. We've been working with them for now 4 years. They've done amazing work for us. And if you need somebody to help you take your company to the next level as far as a website development, they are the company to go ahead and take a look at. So we highly recommend them. Can't recommend them enough. So thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you soon.